In today's fast-paced digital economy, cross-border transactions demand more than just speed. They require trust, transparency, and compliance. At iQud, we developed a streamlined payment collection platform for vendors, powered by Stripe, to redefine how European vendors manage real-time payments and invoicing. Our objective was to create a secure, efficient, and intelligent payment gateway for a European e-commerce vendor. After evaluating multiple options, Stripe emerged as the most reliable and scalable solution for simple and compliant transactions. Built on a robust Nest.js framework, the platform integrates seamlessly into the client's ecosystem, offering high scalability, reliability, and enterprise-grade data security. Operating in the fintech industry and based in Norway, our client needed a payment system that ensured top-tier security, fraud prevention, and complete compliance with PDPA, GDPR, and HIPAA. At eCud, we believe in compliance without compromise. The challenges were clear: managing multi-currency, cross-border payments, maintaining PSD2 compliance, simplifying integration, and reducing payment abandonment rates. Our solution addressed each one. Stripe integration enabled seamless multi-currency transactions with automatic conversions. 3D Secure 2 authentication ensured smooth fallback in case of any verification failure. Using pre-built Stripe components, our team simplified integration, completing it in under a day. And through an optimized checkout flow, user experience was enhanced, reducing cart abandonment significantly. The result? A platform equipped with built-in 3D Secure 2 authentication, automated compliance, pre-built Stripe integrations, and support for more than 135 currencies, all designed for speed, security, and scalability. For European vendors, managing payments across borders is no longer a challenge. With iQud's Stripe-enabled platform, payments are now effortless, secure, and compliant with PSD2 and SCA standards. Effortless payments, instant results. That's the iQud way. Talk to our experts and experience how iQud is shaping the future of digital payments through intelligence, integration, and innovation.